Good morning, dear students. Today we're going to work in our workbook. Please, everybody, your workbook. Module number 3. Page number 25. Present simple, affirmative, and negative. Activity number 1 says, write the third person singular of the verbs below. We have I catch, he, she. Mi verbo termina en CH y cuando trabajo con he, she or it, ¿qué le debo de aumentar a este verbito? Es, catches. Number 2, I cry, he, she. Antes de mi ye, tengo una consonante. ¿Cómo cambia el verbo? I cry, he, she cries. Number 3, I finish, he, she. ¿En qué acaba mi verbo? Es H. He, she finishes. I buy, he, she buys. I wear, he, she wears. I go, he, she goes. Next activity. Complete, please, in your workbook. Complete it in your workbook. Complétalo en tu workbook. Okay. Next activity. Number 2. Fill in gaps with don't or doesn't. Number 1. Sin is a person and singular. Doesn't play video games. 2. We don't walk to school. Number 3. Luisa doesn't have dinner at 8. 4. You don't wash the dog on Friday. 5. Nico and Boris don't speak Spanish. Okay. Complete, please, the activity in your workbook. Complete it in your workbook. Activity number 3. Put the verbs in brackets into the present simple. Julia. Julia is she. Julia es ella. Por lo tanto, ¿qué le corresponde? Mi verbo, ¿en qué termina mi verbo? Observa en qué termina mi verbo. SH. Por lo tanto, es Julia brushes her teeth in the morning. Number 2. The children do their homework after school. Number 3. George doesn't have lunch at school. Number 4. We go to bed at 9:30. She, negative with third person. Negativo en tercera persona, she. It is, doesn't play. Okay. Please complete the activity in your workbook. Complete the activity in your workbook. You complete? Okay, next activity. Prepositions of time. Circle the correct item. My family and I go to the park on Saturdays at Saturdays. Para los días de la semana, ¿qué preposición utilizas? Good, on Saturdays. Bob and Susanna have dinner outside. In the summer or at the summer? In the summer. 3. I go to the cinema on Friday nights. On Friday nights. 4. Maria's birthday is on or in May 3rd. Es una fecha. On May 3rd. 5. We go on holiday in June. Okay, complete the activity, please, in your workbook. Complete. 5. Fill in the gaps with at, in, on. Sophie gets up para la hora at 7 o'clock. Días de semana, ¿qué preposición? On Mondays. She writes music for video games, so en la mañana, partes del día. In the morning, she works on her computer. She does some housework. At noon es a las 12 del mediodía. And partes del día. In the evening, she chats or goes out with her friends. She goes jogging in the park at the weekends. In the summer, she loves going swimming. Okay, good. Next activity. Read the block and find the mistakes. Saturdays are my favorite day of the week. At Saturdays, I get up at 9 a.m., take a shower, and have breakfast. After that, I visit my grandparents. In noon, we have lunch, and then I hang out with friends. At the summer, we go to the beach, but on the winter, we go shopping. Then, in Saturday evenings, I have dinner with my family, and we watch TV. On 9:30 p.m., I chat online, and then I go to bed. In 10:30 p.m. What do you do on Saturdays? Aquí debemos encontrar errores. ¿Qué errores encontramos en este texto? Son errores de preposiciones. Días de semana utilizamos at, no. Para las horas utilizamos in, no. Mediodía. Estaciones. Días de semana. Para la hora. Para días de semana. ¿Qué utilizamos? ¿Qué debemos de utilizar? ¿Qué preposición? Días de semana. On Saturdays, I get up para la hora. At 9 a.m. I visit my grandparents. At noon. Estaciones. In the summer. In the winter. Then on Saturday evening. At 9:30. At 10:30. On Saturdays. Okay, please complete the activity in your workbook. Complete the activity. Ready? Si necesitas pausar el video, pausa y completa. Then we have page number 26. Vocabulary about free time activities. Match the words to form phrases. Go to. The theater. Play. What do you play? Board games. Do. Jigsaw puzzles. Watch. Films. Chat. Online. Hang out. with friends. Okay, good. Complete the activity, please. Next activity, vocabulary. Use the phrases below to label the pictures, A to F. Picture number 1. Chat online, good. Picture number 2. Hang out with friends. Picture number 3. Play board games. Picture number 4. Do jigsaw puzzles. Picture number 5. Go to the theater. And picture number 6. Watch a film. Right? Complete the activity, please. Fill in the gaps with the verbs in the list. Weekends are fun. ¿Qué verbo puede ir? Estamos en el tema present simple. I chat online with my friends on Saturday mornings. In the afternoon, I hang out with my cousins. We go to the amusement park, or we go to the mall and watch a film. On Sundays, I go bowling with my brother, or we go skateboarding. In the evening, I do puzzles online, or I play board games with my little sister. I listen to music before I go to bed at about 9:30. What about you? Complete the activity, please. Activity number 4. Now label the photos with the phrases from the list below. Number 1, what is that? Listen to music, okay, good. Number 2, what is number 2? Go to the amusement park. Number 3, go bowling. Okay, good. Complete the activity in your workbook, please. And that's all for today. Recuerda que tan pronto como termines de completar estas páginas en tu workbook, le debes de sacar foto a cada una o captura de pantalla y me lo envías como tarea a EduSoft. Okay? Bye bye. See you tomorrow.